Alam ng mga nanay na may mga bagay na akala natin madali. Natanggap na natin and we're living on it on a daily basis. Pero once you get there, once it's confirmed, at lalo na if doctor na yung magsasabi, iba. Ibang-iba talaga siya. So this is long overdue. Share ko lang sa inyo our journey to having the assessment of our awesome kid. Adibu. Here we go. So, ayan na nga, last May, pumunta kami sa Cebu City from Bantayan Island for the assessment. Hindi alam ni Adi na may assessment siya. Favorite pa naman niya yung long drive. So, yung center ay nasa AS Fortuna sa Oak Ridge at nakarating kami doon by 12 noon. After lunch namin, diretso na kami sa assessment center. Bago ito, kakabukas pa lang nila, ito yung Developmental Health Center. May 2 parts yung assessments nila. One is with the RPM, wherein may sinasagutan na mga assessment and question and answer with the parents, and then observation sa kid. Afterwards, in-endorse ni RPM to the doctor para sa final assessment, and then interview the parents and ano yung level of autism spectrum or may ADHD. So, afterwards, ayun na, napasalamat naman kami sa time na nakatry kami sa assessment. So, for all of the moms out there, awesome moms out there, this is just a reminder that there is hope. I see you, I feel you, I walked into the same path. Hindi madali, hindi talaga dapat i-explain, hindi na kailangan natin i-explain what we go through sa mga taong hindi naman naiintindihan, and most likely hindi na nakikita yung mga ginagawa natin. But just be strong for our awesome loved ones, awesome kids, and I know may mga ways talaga na kusang dumarating sa atin to find a way to make sure that makukuha natin yung therapy na needed nila. Hindi man sa agaran, at least may mga options na ngayon, unlike before. So that's it. Let's stay strong and be awesome moms forever for our kids. Bye.